Richard and Sam, how'd you get into that? It was the theater of the absurd at its most brilliant. How'd you get into that idea?
Tito Boy, we just stay true to our core. In front row, we don't just do certain things. We do things in a certain way. And we call it the front row way. Of course, saan pa tayo? Hindi na tayo lalayo, kundi sa team po namin, especially po si RS. Si RS po talaga yung the brains behind the oldest marketing coach.
Ang daming mga kinonsulta namin na galing sa labas, may represent sa amin. Pero wala, iba-iba, pero wala talaga kaming nagustuhan. So parang medyo okay, pero kulang. Yung alam mo yung, okay na, pero meron kami hinahanap. Hindi namin masabi kung ano hinahanap namin kung saan nag-represent sa amin. Yung pala yung hinahanap namin, sa kakahanap namin, nandito lang pa na.
Actually, Tito Boy, when Sam and I were talking about how to make Lux White Enhanced Glutathione even better, even stronger, sabi namin, kung ilo-launch natin yan, Sam, the campaign has to be out of this world. Sam, I told him one of the meetings, we can go generic like all the other companies. We can say, put a silhouette and say coming soon, 3 more days, and then we'll reveal it with a cloth and ta-da! We can go as generic as that. But of course, that's why I admire my business partner so much. He gives in to all my whims. In other words, sa Tagalog lang ng kalukalukahan ko. Pumayag siya. In fact, when I was conceptualizing this, Sam was, I think, having a sortie in Tondo. Then, habang sinasabi ko, gusto ko may lamay, gusto ko may ganyan, hanggang i-bash tayo, hanggang sabihin, magsasara na, hanggang sabihin, ganyan. Sabi ko, kayo na mag-explain kay SB kung paano. Kasi, syempre, you know he's running for mayor. And everything counts. In fact, it's 5 days, since we announced March 10, ang dami ng bashers! Super dami naming haters! Shout out po pala sa inyo dahil sa inyo nagka-free marketing pa kami. Salamat po! Imagine, nabuhay lahat ng mga haters and then sabi ko, Sam, just give me 5 days. After that 5 days, the resurrection is unbelievable. Sabi ko, because what we did, yung Lux White na marami, milyon-milyon nagmamahal, not just here in the Philippines, but all over the world. Sabi namin, paano pa to? So sabi namin dito, boy, patindi pa natin, doblehin natin yung milligrams. So from 700 milligrams now, it's 1,400 milligrams. So, yung dating glutathione lang, we packed it with collagen, oral moisturizer, oral sunblock, talagang lahat na gusto natin. Of course, we know now kasi talaga that everybody wants to look good. Everybody has the right to look good and be healthy. So sabi ko, Sam, pili ka, the generic launch or, as you said, a bold move. Sabi ni Sam, RS, go. Do that bold move.
Okay, for something as risque, for something as spectacular as this one, magpakamuto din tayo. It can either work or it can flop. How much of that fear was there? And what pushed you to jump into the unknown?
Well, you know what, ever since I was young, I was doing everything against the grain. I like risking things. I like the risk. I love it. Saan po tayo nakakita ng isang kumpanya na yung produkto ilalagay sa ataol? Meron po ba? Wala. Baliw lang ang gagawa nun. At front row yun.
Okay.
Yun talaga yung sinasabi ko kay Sam. Sabi ko, Sam, that's the reason kung bakit tayo ginagaya. Sabi ko, expect Sam, after we launch this, lahat ng other companies, ganyan na rin ganito na rin ang kanilang launches.
Okay, I know you started to talk about the product. You started to talk about the new ingredients. Pero, ang pinag-uusapan pa rin natin, ano ang equity nitong bagong produkto? What makes it jump out of the market?
Kasi Tito Boy, Lux White Enhanced Glutathione and all the Lux products is the number one product in that category. It's not a claim, we don't just do claims, we deliver results. If you ask Google, who's the number one glutathione in the world or in this country, sasagutin kayo ni Google. Lux White. If you ask ChatGPT, AI na yun, artificial intelligence. Ang number one Lux White and the most trusted glutathione is Lux White. So, sila nga, naniniwala. So, kami, sabi namin, itong number one na to, just like what we do sa mga sarili namin, sa company namin, kaya pang pagandahin, kaya pang patindihin, palakasin. Kasi there's always room for growth. Lalo na 15 years na siya. And Front Row as an innovative company, innovative founders, think of ways to make it better, to make it adaptable in the market today. Especially, ang dami na rin nagsulputan. Marami na kasing gumaya, Tito Boy. So, for that 15 years, ang dami nang gumaya. Aspirational yung Lux White eh. So, everyone copied the formulation, everyone copied even the packaging. Now, sabi na, even our ads, even the way we get ambassadors, billboards, commercials, we got almost all the big stars in the Philippines. After that, we got stars in international stars ka. So, sabi namin, how can we top that? Kasi that's that's the challenge for founders, for CEOs, presidents. How can you top yourself every time? So, sabi namin, gawa tayo ng isang product na walang kapareho. We said it's gonna be bigger, better, and stronger, not just sa potency, but also physically. From the Lux White bottle before, it's now bigger. From the capsules, dahil dinamihan namin yung milligrams, hindi nakakasya doon yung ibang ingredients. So lumaki na din siya. So we got the biggest capsule, 000, na safe, kasi galing FDA and approved by FDA. And doon namin pinasok lahat ng pinag-aralan ng research and development team namin na nararapat na sa panahon ngayon para nag-iisa po ang Lux White Ultima.
I think yung capsule namin, kami ang first na nagagamit ng 000 sa supplement sa Pilipinas. What is 000? Yung 000 mas malaki siya. Ang kasi sa kanya is 1,400. Doon sa isang tao.
Before kasi it was 00. That's the largest before, na kinabi na ng iba.
950 yung max
Yes.
na pwede magkasya.
Dahil sobrang daming milligrams, hindi na magkakos, we got the biggest. Papunta na po siya sa bato ni Darna.
Sa magaling salita, yung shortcut lang sinasabi kanina ni Mayor is gagawa tayo ng produkto na gagayahin din.
Yes.
Yun yung sinasabi mo?
Yeah. Raising the standards. We raise the standards, the quality, the potency, and literally the size. But ang pinakamaganda dyan at ang good news dyan, same price pa rin po siya, 2,950.
Kasi dito po yun ang yun ang sinasabi ng mga distributors namin eh. Oh, lalakihan nyo, dodoblehin nyo, dadamihan nyo ng ingredients, ng world class, lahat yan. O baka naman tumaas pa yung price, sabi namin no. Yung same price, 2,900. Tulong namin yun sa mga distributors para magkano sa mga pinatang Lux White Ultimate Collection.
Okay, the dazzling Rian Rose.
Yeah!